As a part of Michigan Sea Grant's dedication to educating the public on the Great Lakes, we want to get you out on the lakes experiencing it firsthand.
We come to Lake Erie Metro Park every day to walk our dog, every single day. So we see the lake, but we're never on the lake. We come on these discovery. We learn so much about all the islands and some of the conservation things that are happening.
Discover the history of Lake St. Clair, the Detroit River, and Lake Erie.
It tells us where we've been, something that we can all learn from.
Understand the power of the Great Lakes economy.
Oh yeah, you would never learn this unless you through the river.
And witness the rejuvenated Southeast Michigan watersheds.
Everybody, even kids. I think kids would be fascinated.
Tickets are on sale now for this year's Discovery Cruises. Don't miss the boat.
There are not many opportunities in this area to get out in the water and really enjoy yourself the way we are today.